Sometimes you hear people talk about it's easier to ask for forgiveness than it is to get permission, which is attributed to Grace Hopper. And it's actually a coding style in Python. And this short, I will quickly show the difference. As an example, here's some code to open a file, but only if it exists. So we check if the file exists before try to work with it. This is also commonly referred to by look before you leap. So we first look if we can do something on the file and then leap. As opposed to that, there's another style, which is called, it's easier to ask for forgiveness. So here we just try to work with the file straight away, and we factor in that we might get a file not found error exception. So then we just catch that and handle that. Now, there might be a bit of performance overhead to do exception handling, but on the other hand, as this is going to work 9 out of 10 times, we're probably never going to hit this exception. And you commonly see this in Python, and it's often abbreviated as EAFP.